Hello, this is Deanna Hickman, here with Will Hickman to learn a little bit about the night sky. Can you say hello to Mommy's class?
Hello, Gladys.
Thank you. So we're going to learn about the night sky and what things we see in the night sky.
Are you the one that learned about? Are you the one that teaches in your class?
No, I'm the one who learns in my class. Okay, so why is it dark at night? During the day, the light shines down on the earth.
And the earth up here.
And at night, the sun sets in the sky. There's no more light shining down. Why does the sun set? As the earth is turning, the sun looks lower and lower and lower on the horizon, and when it disappears behind the horizon, there's no more light shining down.
And the sun, and sunset.
So what is the sun anyway? The sun is actually a star. They're giant balls of burning gases made of hydrogen and helium. Helium is the gas that they put in party balloons. It's lighter than air, and that's why they float. Stars come in all sizes. There's little stars, medium-sized stars, and great big stars, and all kinds of sizes in between. They also come in lots of different colors.
There's red, there's blue, there's yellow, there's
Orange.
orange.
There's lots of color stars, and the colors.
And there's gray.
Okay.
There's brown. There's red.
Okay. So which ones do you think are the hottest?
Blue.
You think the blue is the hottest?
Yeah.
Is that because you're super smart? Okay. Well, the red stars are really hot.
Super duper hot.
Yeah, super duper hot, because all stars are hot. The yellow stars are super duper hotter, but the blue stars are the super duper hottest of all.
Way like this hot?
Yeah, way like that hot. Sometimes
it's so hot.
We can go outside at night and we can look up at the stars in the sky.
I want to do that today when it gets dark.
Maybe we'll do that. And sometimes we can see patterns that the stars make in the sky.
How?
Well, let's look. Do you see any patterns in there?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Maybe that? What is that?
A squiggle-deagle.
What?
A squiggle-deagle.
It's a smiley face, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't see no smile.
You don't?
No.
Oh.
No. It's round. It's like, I'll show you.
Okay, well, here, no, don't touch. Well, here are the eyes, and here's the nose, and there's the mouth.
No.
Now do you see it?
Okay. I'll show you. There's the circle. There's the J, and there's
the J. I think the J is a little backwards, sweetie, but that's supposed to be his nose. Okay, let's keep moving. All right. How about here? Do we see anything we recognize in here?
No.
No. Well, let's watch. As the lines go across, does it start to look maybe like a big spoon?
It's a Big Dipper.
It is the Big Dipper. Good job. I didn't actually know you knew that. Okay. Those patterns that we see in the sky are called constellations. Do we actually see the real lines in the sky?
No.
No, we just see the stars, and the lines are what we make in our head to make patterns. Here are some other examples.
There's a scorpion. And there's shooting a baby butt.
And there's a Sagittarius is shooting an arrow. And then we have the two fishies that are Pisces.
Yeah.
So let's take a closer look at those stars. This one is called the constellation Orion. And if you look even closer, you'll see one star that's really not a star at all. Do you want to know what that is?
No.
You don't?
Yes.
Okay, you do. That is called a nebula. A nebula, if you look at it with a telescope, actually looks like a cloud of gases in the sky.
Oh.
Now, if you had a really good telescope, like say a Hubble telescope, it would look like that. That is the Orion Nebula. Let's look at some more things in the sky.
It's a star.
It could be.
It's a nebula is a shooting star, and it turns colors like red, blue, white, blue,
Okay.
purple, orange.
So there's a star, but there are some things here that aren't stars. That's not a star. Would you want to know what it is? Let's look at it with our telescope. Let's see. What is it?
Mars.
You think it's Mars? Well, it is a planet, but it's the planet with rings. That's the planet Saturn. So sometimes those stars that we see in the sky aren't really stars. They're actually
Now let's look at that one.
planets. Well, let's find another one. See anything there?
What? This? Huh?
You see that one go across there? What do you think that was?
I don't know.
Too slow to be a shooting star. It was a satellite. That's the Hubble. The Hubble Space Telescope. Okay, well, let's keep looking. See what else we can find. What was that?
A shooting star.
Is it a shooting star?
Yeah.
Or is it really a meteor?
It was a meteor shooting star.
Oh, yeah, it was a meteor that was going through space. But it didn't land on the Earth, because if it landed on the Earth, it would be called a meteorite. That's a meteor. So they're not really stars falling out of the sky. They're really rocks that are traveling through space. We call those meteors.
Whoa, that one goes.
All right, can you tell me what these pictures have in common?
It goes like. Mommy, it goes like.
Yep. Take a look at these. Now tell me what all these pictures have in common.
That's the moon, and that's the moon, that's the moon, and that's the moon.
So all the pictures have a moon.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, good job. So there we have a picture of
a moon.
There you go.
A moon is the biggest ball in the meteor.
That makes no sense, but let's keep moving, okay? So why do we see the moon anyway? Does the moon make its own light? Like the sun does?
No.
No.
But sometimes it makes its own light like
No. What happens is the sun shines on the moon, and then the moon reflects that light back, and that's why we see it. Sometimes when we see it, we can only see little bits of it. The rest of it is in shadow. So depending on how the sun is shining on it, we see different parts of the moon. So sometimes it looks like a crescent. Sometimes it looks like it's full. Sometimes it's a half. So you see, there's a half moon. Which one is that one?
a half moon.
No, that's the crescent moon. And that's the full moon. All right.
And there's.
Let's see what else we can find.
And go back.
Nope. We're moving.
I gotta show you something.
All right.
Go back to the moon.
Okay, show me.
That one don't have a moon.
That's called a new moon.
I know.
That means that it's completely in shadow and we can't see it at all.
And that's a full moon, and that's and all the moons don't have any more sides.
Okay. Now let's see what else is in the sky. There's another star. That's not a star. What do you think it is?
I don't know. Let's look it up.
It's called a comet. A comet is a big ball of ice and dust and dirt that's traveling through space, kind of like a big dirty snowball.
Wow.
And as the sun shines on it, it blows a lot of that stuff, it melts it and blows a lot of that stuff back behind it, so that it looks like it's traveling really fast and everything is just kind of trailing behind it. It's kind of cool, huh? Sometimes we see those in the sky. So what's in the night sky?
stars and moons and everything.
Lots of things. That's right. All
And
right.
let's look that one up. No, this.
Can you say the end?
I want to look something up.
Okay, we'll look something up after you say the end.
The end.
Thank you, class.